Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a quick video. This is a 2-year update on a guy from the West Coast. And this guy came in looking like this right around Christmas 2 years ago. And we did a case on him. And he was here with his brother. I got a note here. His brother, we do rock and roll trivia during our cases for money. And his brother cheated me out of $100. And
Oh
he's
my
got
God, let that go.
a little letter
Let that
here.
go.
Let me pull that up.
No, let that go.
This is a letter from the kid's brother. Never good to
Shazam.
cheat. The money has been burning a hole in my pocket. Like shame
Sears?
sears the soul. So don't cheat on these rock trivia things we do.
Our patients don't cheat. That was
was
the
the
one
brother.
that was sitting.
That was the brother.
That was the one that was sitting.
So anyhow, this fella looked like this when we got here. And then at 1 year, he sent this picture, which he said we could use. And then he just sent this one at Christmas with a little Christmas card. And 2 years out, and he sent me a couple pictures of young ladies he's going out with. And he like all these guys, he doesn't attribute his dating success to the hair transplant, but rather he's got more confidence now.
Yeah, I mean he looks younger, and he likes young girls, so he looks younger.
Yeah.
He definitely looks a lot younger.
So he seems like a lot of people ask how many grafts. I think we did 2,800 the first case and 2,400 the second case.
And still has to mature a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's
It
got
looks
another,
great.
and his dad's a cue ball, and so I told him that he needs to wait for a decade and see whether he needs to add some more hair later. So if we can help you, give us a call. Thank you.